Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm here with number 7 of my 31 days of crafts, slowly catching up. And this is a pocket letter, so it's a bit of a show and tell rather than a tutorial. And I've created this for Beck's Crafts over here on YouTube. She's a lovely young lady who's come onto the YouTube scene. I'm going to leave links below in the description box to her channel. Please do go on over and show her some support. She's quite new to YouTube, and I think you know, this is her first challenge that she's done for 2020. As I say, she's quite new, so she could do with some support, and she just wanted to do a pocket letter challenge, any theme, so I thought I'd give it a whirl, and so I made this last night before I went to bed. I quite enjoyed it. It's a while since I've made a pocket letter. So pocket letters are basically the same size as an ATC, but you put them in these little pockets, which are, you know, the clear pockets that you can purchase that people save football cards in. So I've used the Heartfelt stamp set, and I've used the duo of punches, and I've used the paper is called From My Heart, and I've used a retired punch there, that is the Petite Petals, which is the very first punch I ever purchased from Stampin' Up, and I absolutely love it. It will never leave my possession. So I've layered it on, I think the card I've cut, I think, to 2.5 by 3.5, and then the DSP is 2.25 by 3.25. The cardstock is Flirty Flamingo, and then you saw me make some of these heart embellishments on a previous video. I'll leave that as a suggested video for you to watch after this one, and I've made a huge cluster of them. So far I've made this pocket letter, and I've made a batch of cards as well, and that's what I've used those clusters on. So yeah, I really enjoyed making it. Super easy to do. And the other thing about these is, if you don't want to make them and swap them, you can make these, and each individual one of these can then be a focal point for a card. So you could make a card and have that as the focal point. Okay, so I just thought I'd come and share that with you. So that is basically 9 different designs that you could use on cards. So I'll just give you a little close-up of them so you can have a look. They're all just layered hearts with sentiments, very simple. So these are just punched out of the DSP, and then I've just stamped a sentiment and punched it. And these are punched DSP. I think that one's layered on cardstock again. We've got the craft card just punched with the punches, so it's very quick and easy. That sentiment there I've just fussy cut around, and this one here we've got the little buttons. That is just literally 2 punched out hearts. This is a different punch, it's not the same as the one that goes with the Heartfelt set. And then here is one of my favourites, I do like it, backed on the craft card and then put through the corrugated embossing folder. I think that's a really good look. And that is a stamped image again, and then punched out. So there we go, super easy. And then I've topped it here with a little bit of my special ribbon that I got on a Christmas present, and then this beautiful tassel here that I've had gifted.